So, today, we've got a thing from TikTok Shop that apparently makes your car dead shiny and it looks brand new. So, in this video today, we're going to test it out. I'll link it down in the description. And I have actually done a little tester. This has got a tiny bit on and this doesn't. So, you can kind of see the difference already. It's 3-in-1.
Will this viral coating spray from Germany replace car washing in 2025?
I'll put the TikTok ad here.
It's going completely viral on social media right now because you only need to spray it once. And for 8 months, you don't need to go to a car wash. The reason? It bonds with the paint.
More of the car. Get a bit close in. So I've got this. I know it's foam, but I'm just going to add it into a little bucket of water. We're just going to clean up a bit of the dirtiness. Don't come at me in the comments about, oh, you'll sketch your car. Oh. Well, this is just a little clean today, and then we'll do a proper one with snow foam and everything. I just want to test out the TikTok thing, so we're just going to do it this way. And the video's more for the TikTok product, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get started with this, and I'm going to be using this to apply it. And to sort it so it's not patchy, I'm just going to go over it with this. Looks like it's working really well. So I'm just going to do the whole car now. So, would I say the product works? Yes, but I've just done a quick clean today. It's shined my car up. I'm going to meet my mates later. I have a nice shiny car. But the thing is, I think you should properly clean your car thoroughly with snow foam and an actual hand wash, then apply this, and it will stay shiny for a long time. It's not perfect today. I would say for a walk around, it has absolutely improved on the shine. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera though. I'll probably rate this about, definitely, let me find a number. I'm going to rate this 8 out of 10, and it'll probably be a 10 out of 10 once you've cleaned your car. But this was just a rushed product today, and we'll use this in a further future video properly with a deep clean on the car and then applying this. But yeah,